class, this week we are going to be reading a story called A Bird Named Fern. While we read this story, we're going to be looking out for our spelling pattern spelled with I-R, E-R, O-R, and U-R. We're also going to be looking for our sight words, another, climb, fool, great, pour, and through. Let's go ahead and get into our story. A bird named Fern. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. "What is that big white boat doing in the sky?" she asked herself. "I want to find out." "It would be great to ride on that big white boat," Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. What do you guys think Fern is going to do next? Do you remember this story? Let's find out. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest, so she leaped on the bed, but she fell right through it. "I see another bed," said Fern. "I will try to land on that one." But the same thing happened again. "I'd better go home," cried Fern. "Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this." Why do you think Fern fell through the bed? Was it really a bed or was it something else? I think you know the answer. Let's see what Fern's mom and dad says. So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. "Where were you?" asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. "First, we will dry you off," said Mom. "Then we will teach you about clouds," added Dad. And that is what they did. Did you guess that the bed was actually clouds? Me too. Here it has the question, what did the clouds look like to Fern? What did they look like to Fern? What did she think those clouds were? Have you ever looked at clouds and thought they looked like something? Me too. So there are a few things you can do with this story. You can watch the video again, listen to it again. You can pause the video at each page and try to find words that have our spelling pattern or any of our sight words. And you can pause the video at each page and try to read it on your own. I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye.